Hello guys, Brian back here with another look at bone. Alright, I was looking at this chart a little bit ago and checking this out, okay? If this trend-based fib is correct, if it is, not financial advice, alright? So please don't go selling your house or whatever on it. So it's giving me a target up around $1.60, to $1.69, something like that. If this here looks like this might have been the one wave here, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, this thing had another massive, had a pretty good spike up to $1.48 there. But if we zoom in here on the lower time frames, all right, pull the RSI up here, you can see the daily RSI starting to flip back up. So I'm expecting this thing probably making our move here pretty soon. I believe it's probably coming down and retesting this $1.32 area. You can see that 15-minute RSI is almost on the floor here. Could just only come down to $1.33 too, but kind of wagering on that $1.32 area right there. Okay, that's been good support back through here the last couple hours, so that's what I'm expecting here, and then a bounce out of here. If we look at the 30-minute RSI, that's coming down. Okay, so it's, like I said, expecting there to be another bounce here pretty soon with this thing. Still got one more level up to go, it looks like. We've got the 1 hour RSI at the top. We have the 4 is at the top. But look at these, the 8 is on the bottom and bullish. Okay, so we got some 8-hour push here. We got 12-hour at the bottom and heading up. It's bullish. Okay, and then we got that daily spinning back up, and we also have our weekly. It's still right up there. It's still bullish at a 98 and a 90. Okay, but that is getting towards the top there with that, but it can, like I showed it back here, it can ride up there for a while. If you look at my dotted line here, this RSI was at the top, the price was here, and we still had this big rise up there. So doesn't mean anything really when that weekly gets to the top. It can still go a lot higher. Okay, now what if this thing gets up to that $1.59? I would tread carefully there for a little bit, okay, because probably going to see another ABC correction or something come in here, I would imagine. It's probably going to take it a little bit to get up there. This 8-hour has a ways to go up. Each one of these candles are 8 hours on this chart, so it could take it a while to get up there. But you can see right there that $1.48, that's going to be a resistance area here, right there. Okay, so once we break through that, if we do, nothing's guaranteed in this world, but if we do break there, watch for that $1.59, $1.60 to come in here, okay? And I'm not seeing a whole lot higher than that right now. Got the, like I said, we got the 1 hour up there correcting. That'll probably spin back up once this thing starts moving again, but could have a little bit of a temporary pullback. Your fourth wave is normally your biggest pullback there, but this fifth wave blow off, this fifth wave should go higher than this fourth wave. Well, it will, as if it's a 5 wave up. Okay, and that's what it looks like here. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, that's what it looks like is playing out here. So we'll just have to keep an eye on that. That big spike there, that was kind of odd. No real selling pressure there. Let's look at the daily. No. Just buying pressure, just a spike in volume there. Volatility when Bitcoin was breaking out, it really, you can see here. Look at these cryptos for the day. It's crazy. Big gains out there. The market's going to get a lot of fun now. Bitcoin broke that 31,550 bucks, and that's a number I've been saying for a month now, and it finally broke it. So if you would, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I would appreciate that. And if you want to become a member of the channel, it's in the description of the video. It's $2.99 a month. I would appreciate that very much. Just hitting the like and subscribe is good for me. But if you want to support the channel, you become a member, that'd be great too. So I'll be keeping an eye on this bone price. But right now, in the meantime, like I said, that 15-minute is about reset. Okay, looks like this thing's about ready to to possibly start bouncing here anytime. I'll be keeping an eye on this resistance area here. Usually if you take and draw a line, usually maybe the half hour would be better. Yeah, the half hour is better. You got a resistance line there, and you can judge your breakouts then. Okay, so it breaks above this yellow resistance line, you're going higher here. Okay, so, and you got very valid support there at $1.32. So, bottom line is I'm expecting higher prices here, but like I said, nothing's guaranteed. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But if I'm looking for a price on this thing, I'm looking for the $1.59 to come in here, within the next day or so anyway. Who knows? Could happen in 10 minutes. Time is something you cannot judge with this market. No matter how hard you try, it's just something you cannot predict. Okay, it can happen in a half hour. It can happen in 12 hours. So I'll just be keeping an eye on it. Like I said, we have the 8, the 12, and the daily heading up, so that's pointing towards higher prices. All right, thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.